Good day guys, and welcome to the guide about Shopify POS. So Shopify POS is a Shopify's point of sale system that lets businesses sell products in physical locations while staying fully synced with their online store. So what is a Shopify POS? So POS system turns your phone, tablet, or register into a checkout system. And it's used in the retail stores, pop-up shops, markets, and events. And now how it works behind the scenes. So everything runs from one Shopify back end. When you sell an item in the store, inventory updates instantly, online stock adjusts automatically, and sales appear in the same dashboard. And then payments and checkout. So Shopify POS accepts card payments, contactless payments, cash, and gift cards. If you use Shopify payments, transactions sync automatically with reports. Then next we have the inventory and products. So you manage products once and they work everywhere. Prices, variants, and stock levels stay consistent across online store, physical locations, and multiple staff members. And then in terms of the customer management, Shopify POS creates customer profiles automatically. And then you can track purchase history, loyalty, and returns and exchanges. And now, in terms of the POS hardware, let's discuss that as well. Here it is. So POS works with the card readers, barcode scanners, receipt printers. And then Shopify POS works by connecting the in-store sales and online sales into one system. Inventory, payments, and customers all stay synced. So that's the mechanic behind how POS work in Shopify. If this was insightful to you guys, don't forget to support the video with a like and a subscription to the channel. And thank you for watching.